But nung na-trade ka, how did you accepted that yung decision ng management to to trade you? Was it difficult for you at first? Or you are able to deal with it?
Yeah, it was very very difficult sa akin nung nalaman ko the day before the trade, nung lumabas yung trade. Well, basta sobrang hirap sa akin. Kasi growing up, di ba, been a Ginebra fan. Like nasabi ko na before pa, yun. And of course, playing for that franchise is a great honor, number one sa mga fans dito sa Philippines, di ba? And then getting coached by probably the best coach dito sa Pilipinas, si Coach Tim, then si Coach Olsen, yung college coach was there. We had a lot of veterans, so I felt like I was in a great place to start my career there. But ito yung bagay na wala naman akong hindi ko wala akong control, di ba? It's the management's decision. Before pa ako mag-pro mapunta sa PBA, alam ko na di ba, trades are part of your professional career, and whatever's the best decision for them, di ba, yun yung gagawin nila. And nasama ako, but I accepted it. Alam ko na rin na, di ba, na mangyayari. Bibira lang naman yung nag-i-stay sa isang team, di ba? Ilang players na yung ganun. So, I did not have any time actually to dwell on it before. Kasi parang nung na-trade ako 2 days after, may laro na, or 1 day after ata. Parang nakaisang ensayo lang ako nun with Northport. And I just looked at the positive things, positive side of that trade. I'm here sa Northport, na inisip ko, siyempre, kung kukunin ako ng Northport, gusto ko ng Northport. It means that there's something in me also. And it's a good position also for me to showcase my talent. Naging starter ako, and then I was given a lot of minutes. So, yun yung, during that time, medyo mabigat, of course. But, I'm a positive guy. I just looked at the positive side of it. And I'm here now. So yeah, I'm okay.
Anong tingin mo, anong masasabi mo dahil due to your desire na maging better individually, at least parang nadami na rin yung team, gumaling na rin sila, tumaas yung level with your desire to be good individually, nag-translate into team victories, and now you're in the semifinals. Ano nang tingin mo doon na at least yung
well, of course, it started on me, with me, di ba? I wanted to be the best actually. And of course, hindi naman pwede na ako lang yung aangat. So I always talk to my teammates, na let's all compete, di ba? We may be a young team, inexperienced, pero we have to go into the game really hungry, di ba? And yun, just did my part, di ba? The team relied on me on so much things. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, di ba? Ako dapat yung player na mas maraming ginagawa dun sa ensayo, di ba? To lead by example, like doing the extra work, going to the gym, going hard in practice, extra skill shooting after practice, di ba? Kasi like what I said, nagre-rely din yung mga teammates ko sa akin. And when they see me doing those things, parang syempre, nahahawa na rin sila. And when someone's, di ba, parang medyo may naliligaw, may also, parang not naman job, di ba? Pero parang reminder lang na about let's do our job. Di ba? We're professionals here, and will translate, di ba? Kung lahat kami nagtatrabaho, di ba? So as a team, aangat lahat. So yeah, and I'm happy kasi very happy with for this team. Kasi from not making the playoffs for 1 or 2 conferences, ngayon, ito na, number 1 kami, and then we made the semifinals pa. Kasi itong mga teammates ko, who were once young and very immature, inexperienced man, not immature. Ngayon, medyo may baon na silang experience ngayon. So, I'm happy also for them. So, yeah, we'll see.
Sabi, ano lang tingin mo dun sa possibility?
I mean, it's good. I guess, di ba, yung lahat nung sacrifice, hard work, and effort ko, na-rewardan. Actually, ngayon pa lang na naririnig ko yung pangalan ko dun sa mga tawag dito, candidates. Parang ano na yan great honor. Parang ang laki ng balik sa sarili ko nun sa lahat ng mga trabahong ginawa ko. And I always said, I owe it also to my teammates and my coaches, diba? Kasi kung wala sila, hindi ko naman ma-achieve yung gano'n. And if hindi naman kami number 1 or hindi kami nag-playoffs, diba? Wala lang. So it's a total team effort. Nangyari lang talaga na ako yung medyo mataas-taas yung yung stats But diba? I feel like everyone in my team deserves it.